Let's make a very low budget lunch together while I share a story from one of my followers here on TikTok. And this is her true life experience. I met this guy back in my school days. Let's call him Emmanuel. I was in year 1 and Emmanuel was in year 2. I can say we were both broke, but we were students, so it didn't matter. We have been together for 7 years now, and he is a very nice guy, a very perfect gentleman. I can say that throughout our 7 years of relationship, he never cheated, and he always spoils me with the little he had. Let's say maybe he cheated, but I just never found out. We both schooled at Uniben, and after we graduated, he said he was going to Lagos to hustle. I was never okay with it because I felt like that would be the end of our relationship, but he insisted. He said that everything is going to be fine and we are definitely gonna get married. Emmanuel left for Lagos and I actually got a good job and I was paid 50,000 naira. Suddenly, I did not hear from Emmanuel again. His number was off, everything was unavailable for a whole week. I was getting really disturbed, so I reached out to his sister and even his parents, and they too said they've not heard from him. I did not really panic at first, but it was over a month and I did not hear from him. I guess it was now time to panic. His parents were also worried, so we decided to spread word out that he is missing. We looked for Emmanuel for 3 good months and we couldn't find him. His sisters and parents even went to Lagos to look for him. They could not find him. We even started to think that he was dead. I was at work one fateful day and a strange number called me. And when I picked up, it was Emmanuel. I was too stunned to pick. I was very happy. I asked him where has he been for 4 months. He said he lost his phone and he couldn't get anybody's number to reach out to them. I would have asked him how he then got my number to call me now, but I was just so happy to hear from him after I thought maybe he had even died, so I didn't even think about it. He told me that he wants me to come to Lagos that same week. I told him I can't leave my job. He said I should quit my job because he has a very good news for me. The following week, I quit my job and I planned going to Lagos. My parents were very against me going to Lagos, but I told them that I would be safe because I have where I'm gonna be. Emmanuel sent me 500,000 naira. He said I should buy a new hair, some few expensive clothes before coming. I should buy some shoes too. He said I should not come with any of my old clothes. I asked him where he got such money and he told me I should just come first and he will explain everything to me, that for now I should just know that God has blessed him. He sent me another sum of 100,000 naira to book my flight. That was actually my first time flying. When I arrived Lagos, he picked me up with a very big car. I don't really know about cars, so I don't know which one it was. In the car ride to his house, I was so impatient. I kept asking him how he just made so much money in 4 months of being in Lagos. He just kept saying we should get home first. When we got home, immediately he opened his door. I walked into a well-decorated room with a very big sign saying, "Will you marry me?" More, our time don't finish. Just like this video and follow so you no go miss part 2. And if you want share your own story, send a DM on my Instagram. My Instagram dey my profile. Bye.